Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing like a soft glam look with the Colourpop and Frozen 2 Anna palette. So if you want to see the look we get, then just keep watching. Okay, so this is the Colourpop and Frozen collection. This is the Anna palette. And this is what it looks like inside. So we just have nice purples and golds and, you know, dusty rose colors. So we're going to use this to get a soft glam palette. I don't want to go too crazy, and if I go too purple, it won't match my shirt. It might a little. So we are going to first, let's see. I think I'm going to go in with Fearless. It's kind of hard to read this writing because it's in cursive. That one. We're going to use that color and put it in our crease. So you're getting this background again. It's the holidays, man. I mean, I have like no time to film when I would normally film because we're doing holiday stuff for shopping for the holidays, or it's taking up so much of my time. So the only time I can film is in the morning, like now on my way to work, which sucks because then it slows me down for going to work, which is fine because I normally have like wiggle room that I just sit and relax for a little bit before I leave. So I'm just missing my sitting and relaxing time. Like normally I'm done getting my makeup done at like 7:10. It's 7:22 right now. So gotta hurry up because I still want breakfast. This color is really pretty though. I'm trying to be more awake because the last video I did, which was like my gift guide, towards the end I'm more awake. But at the beginning, I was very monotone. I'm like, oh my gosh. So sorry about that. But you know, mornings, it's just, I can't always be awake and ready to go. Okay. I think what I'm gonna do next is put the lid shade down, and then I think I'll blend out. Yeah, let's try that. So I'm going to use Warm Hugs. It's this one over here. It's got like a little sparkle to it, but not really. I'm gonna try to just use it dry and see what happens. Yeah, the sparkles aren't really coming on the lid very much. So it's... Ah! Brush. It's looking more matte than it is anything else, but I can see a little bit of the sparkles coming. All right, now I'm gonna take a little of the Fearless shade that we just used and kind of buff this all together. And then we'll go in with a deeper shade. Good enough. All right, now let's go in with a deep shade. So I think I'm gonna try the purple shade. So Autumn Breeze, I think, so this one. It's just kind of like a deep purple. We're gonna put that in the outer V and the crease. Why? Is it the product or my lid? It's just not laying down very well. I saw somebody else use this color, so I'm thinking it's me. Okay, and then I'm gonna go back in with Fearless and just blend it all together. Have you guys seen Frozen 2? Oh my gosh, I saw it. It was so good. I think I like the story better on this one, but I think I like the music of the first one better, but still really good. Okay, so this eye for the purple is blending perfectly fine, so I think it was just that eye. I do have more problems with that eye with blending. Don't know why, but... So for the lower lash, I'm gonna kind of just do the same thing. So I'm gonna take that dark purple shade, the Autumn Breeze, and we're gonna do my waterline with that. I can find a clean brush. This is the problem. I'm all out of brushes. Let's do this. We'll just make it thick. Yeah, I'm gonna use a pretty thick angle brush. Oh. And we're gonna put that along the waterline on the outer edge. I think I'm gonna bring just a little bit to the inner, just because it looks too naked right now for some reason, but not much. Okay, now we're going to go in with Fearless, the first shade, and I'm gonna use that to just buff out this purple in the bottom. This is a little heavier than I normally want to go for work, so I feel like this turned from soft glam to more glam than I wanted, but that's okay. Apparently I can't do soft glam. It's either glam or nothing on the eyelids. Okay. Alright. Okay, let's do an inner corner and brow bone highlight. So let's use, I can't read it, this top one. The inner corner and brow bone. I'm gonna go ahead and do my lashes and lips off camera, and then I will be right back. I think my lighting changed, but I can't really tell in the viewfinder. So if it just changed, sorry. But my lashes and lips are done. Mascara is just the Benefit Roller Lash. That's what I'm trying to use up. And then the lips is actually just the Fenty Gloss Bomb and Fenty Glow. So that's all I have on the lips. Alright. So this palette, I can't tell if it goes with my outfit or not, but whatever. So I think these palettes are actually really good. I did one with the Elsa palette as well. That is only a couple of videos back on my channel. And I really like the colors in this palette. I know a lot of people have a problem with the pressed glitters. I like them. I mean, am I going to use them often? No, but I really do still like them. But the Colourpop shadows blend so nicely. I'm not used to doing a matte lid, so this is weirding me out, but I really like it. So yeah, and they're $16 if you just buy the palette. So I think they're a good deal, and Colourpop eyeshadows are really great, at least the ones I've been trying. So yeah, that is all I have for this video. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.